Hey beauties! I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Right now it's Saturday. It's so Christmas. It's open season now, so we can all go crazy now. I'm gonna go and get my tree tomorrow, and let's see what happens. I want to get a big tree this year. In all my travels, I managed to scoop up jewelry jar. And my favorites are the silver, all stones, like all silver stones, but there hasn't been any in a while. So we have to do with what we have to do. For those that are hooked on the jars, know and will understand. First we have those earrings. That's interesting. And let's see what I can find here, because I am in the mood for a new phone case. So that's a little tingly and tingly. And this is a button, kind of like a shell bracelet. Very interesting. These are little stretchy bracelets. Oh, look at that. We have two beautiful little rings. Two cameo rings. It's pretty. So that's blue and it has a little face. And this is green and it has little flowers. Those are pretty. This is my little untangling. Does that look interesting? It's whale. And that's an earring. That's kind of interesting too. So we found a pair. Some thingy with rhinestones. A little study earring. We always get those in the jars. Some more little stretchy bracelets. Did you guys had an awesome Thanksgiving? I sure did. I ate for like 2 days straight. I rolled me out of bed because it's hard. Let me see. You got the pair. Those are kind of nice. I like the color. It's like pinky. Very, very nice pink. Is it a crown? Oh yes, that is a princess crown. And some bracelets. Some little bracelets. A little cross, a necklace with a cross. One of my beauties collects crosses, so I always set them aside for her. And there's like a hookah. Oh, I remember those good old days. Little bracelets. This is Hawaii. They have like a little rose. Okay. They're pretty. I like this. That is broken. That looks antique. Let's see if we get the pair. I have high hopes for this jar. Yeah. Pendants. Full length. Make a necklace of some sort. Well, you know, I was thinking about, you know, old, like back when I started in like through the mail. I haven't seen any videos from the ring girl, but I hope she's doing good. And also Monica, she hasn't done videos in a while, and I just hope and pray that she's doing good. Monica, I don't know if you guys remember, I did my first collaboration with her, and I haven't seen videos from her in a while. And then I get busy and like the little package. But I hope she's doing well. And this ring is cool. It's a ring and it has a little flower. A little hibiscus flower. It's right there. Did you guys, oh look at that, that's pretty. Do you guys go Fridays, Black Friday, buying stuff? I have never been to a single one Black Friday. I always wanted to, but I never have the time or money. Look, one of those, this is red. That's pretty. I'm gonna put it right over there. So, what in the world is this? It's a weird egg or something. Now, you hear so many horror stories. That's up here, stone. You hear so many horror stories about Black Friday that you don't want to go. You rather stay home. That's a nice necklace. Do you rather stay in? Another pendant. But I had my eye on one. That's pretty. That's like a freshwater pearl and a little onyx. These are pretty. Oh, look at that. It's kind of pretty. It's a little. Right here. It's one of those, you can always tell on the side if it's real or if it's not real. It's another pen. That's pretty nice. That's 2013. Another one. Oh my god, what a little parrot. What kitty? I like kitties. Let's see. Another ring. So right there. I knew I saw a little fishy. I thought I saw Nemo. See, I found him. I found Nemo. I just spoke myself something. That's pretty. It's a pendant. Let's place it. Nice one. Pretty cool. That's a little clip. Oh, look. Snowflake. A little plastic beaded necklace right down. kind of pretty. Nice. And that's a very interesting necklace. Oh, those are big earrings. This one, they're big. Oh, those are pretty cool. It has a little blue stone. Nice, nice. And, I think I saw one, or might be the same one. You never know. Oh, I like little turkey. Oh no, those are acorns. I thought it was a turkey. Look at this little necklace. I like the purple. They had it on sale once, and then they decided to put it on jar. Look at that. This is kind of cool. It's a little elephant. It's a wood elephant, and then with a necklace. It's cool. Very, very cool. Another elephant. It's pretty cool. Look at those ones. That's cool. That's nice. You know, I don't get many jars. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, it's stretchy, but it feels sturdy, like heavy, you know. So that looks nice. Oh, that's a 5 for a cancer, 5 for a cure bracelet. And this one. It's another clip. Are those ladybugs? They are ladybugs. Oh, I love ladybugs. They're just adorable. And that's bead. Nice, nice. Let's look at that one. That's kind of edgy. I like it. Oh, look at that. That's a little frog. I like this one. Feels like plastic, but edge. Oh, this is pretty. That's very, very pretty. Not missing any stones. And it's very different. And I like the colors. The colors are very pretty. And I see this bracelet. It's wood. Carved. So at one point it was $1.99 on Goodwill. And that's pretty. That looks like a snake. Nice. Good. We found pretty good stuff. And so fast to go. These are plastic. Very pretty. This is pretty, and I think you can use both, like both sides can be used. So one of them it's salmon, and the other one it's orange. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice. So, and this is very, very dainty. It's pretty. Another clip. It's pretty nice. And there's more clips. Oh, like a Christmas bell. And oh, the color is different. This is the same one. So we got another. Is it another one or the same one that I dropped? Oh, that's pretty. Like the colors, green and burgundy. Very Christmassy. Very for the season. Very nice. Oh my god, this is so cute. It's a necklace and it's just, oh, it's beyond a little frog. Los chapitos. Los chapitos. Oh my god. That's cute. I like that one. That's kind of pretty too. So that was $3.99 at one time, but nobody wanted it, and they put it in a jar. The ring. So that's the rings. And this one, but this missing. Oh no, I thought it was missing. The pulse. Another ring. It's kind of pretty. Looks very well made. Nice. Very nice. The clip on. And this little, I think, are the same ones that I pulled, and they just dropped. And I think I keep pulling stuff in with my hand like this. So, oh, look at my little cuff, moonstone cuff link. It's pretty cool. I like it a lot. And yeah, oh, I lost this. I think Carlos found it. So that's some rings. Oh, look, that's Christmas too. It's the dove, peace dove. Peace, peace, peace. Orient Festival. Okay, so this. Nice. The ring with a button, but it fell. Oh, you know, there's two rings in here. So this plasticky one, and then this one, which is a button. A little button. And I'm gonna pull this stuff right towards me, and that's we come to the conclusion in the ending of the jar. Oh, that's kind of pretty. It's like a flying saucer, and this is comes down. So it's pretty nice. Wow, we have pretty wearable jewelry, so I'm not disappointed. We paid $39.99 for the jar, so we got really good stuff. Like I got two, one green and one blue, and I love parakeets. And then just the only bad stuff I think is the stuff laying here. We got little balls. Okay, we're gonna see if I remember. Oh, look, we found another ring. I'm gonna put it with my ring. I used to play marbles a long time ago. Wow, right on. Okay, that's to float. So it's like a little thing right here. There's another dove. Okay. Well, not bad at all. I'm not disappointed. We got a lot of wearable jewelry and the earrings and stuff that not wearable. They don't have any pairs, but it's okay. We can complain. Cannot complain. We could have won one of those jars that they're putting together now. See, what a whole bunch of these ones. There's another rose. No, we didn't see this pair. Or this one. That's okay. Okay, my beauties, I hope that you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving, that you really loved and embraced your family like I did. I love my family. Most of my family is far away, but we had a really good time. We watched movies, we ate, and yeah, so it was kind of good. So now we're gonna transition to Christmas, and I went, you guys know that I went to Goodwill. So in the transition, so I found those ones. They look like icicles and snowflakes, and the snowflakes have little danglies, and they're so beautiful. But this year I want to do my Christmas. Oh, look at this one. That's so beautiful. So I will have a lot. So these are icicles. Okay. Got a couple of icicles here. So okay. And then that one. Oh, so cute. So cute. So beautiful. And then this little icicles. So this is what I got at Goodwill on my hunting. So we're gonna start decorating a tree, and I love this one. Oh, with the lights, they sparkle so pretty. Look at that. Okay, well, I hope everyone stay blessed. I hope that you guys liked and enjoyed. If you did, give me some thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me some comments, some love down below. And I appreciate you guys so much, and I hope you guys stay blessed. Bye.